Hello and welcome, LO2. Understand legislation, policies, and procedures for confidentiality and sharing information, including data protection. In this video, we explore how schools can protect the safety and privacy of children while still meeting their legal responsibilities. We'll look at key legislation, confidentiality requirements, and data protection rules, and explain why safeguarding information and maintaining professional integrity are essential in educational settings. Schools must adhere to the UK GDPR and Data Protection Act 2018. These laws govern the handling of personal data. Breaching them can lead to serious consequences. Confidentiality is crucial for safeguarding. Understanding these laws ensures the protection of children and families. Confidentiality builds trust between children, families, and schools. Without it, children may withhold vital information. It is a key aspect of safeguarding. Breaching confidentiality can damage relationships. Handling information with care is a mark of professionalism. The UK GDPR outlines 6 key principles for data protection. These include lawfulness, purpose limitation, and data minimization. Accuracy and storage limitation are also crucial. Integrity and confidentiality ensure data security. Schools must adhere to these principles in all data handling activities. Schools need a lawful basis for processing personal data. Common bases include legal obligation and public task. Vital interests and legitimate interests are also considered. Consent is often required for non-core activities. Contractual obligations apply mainly to staff data. Some data is more sensitive and requires extra protection. This includes racial, health, and sexual orientation data. Schools must have an additional lawful basis to process such data. Handling must be done with extra care. Breaches in this area can have serious consequences. Children and parents have rights over their data. These include the right to be informed and the right of access. Rectification and erasure rights are also important. Schools must respect these rights. Understanding these rights helps maintain trust and compliance. Data protection laws are not standalone. The Children Act and safeguarding guidance also apply. Schools must share information when necessary. The Human Rights Act influences professional judgment. Freedom of Information Act requests differ from personal data handling. Every school has specific policies for data protection. These include safeguarding and information sharing protocols. Staff must understand these policies. Regular training ensures compliance. Knowing these procedures protects children and staff. Preventing data breaches requires simple habits. Lock screens when leaving workstations. Avoid using personal devices for school data. Handle paperwork with care and check before sending. Report incidents immediately. These practices maintain data security. Trust is built through honest reassurance. Explain confidentiality limits clearly. Avoid overpromising secrecy. Age-appropriate explanations are essential. Trust encourages open communication and safeguarding. Confidentiality has limits that must be communicated. Early years need simple explanations. Older children require more detailed discussions. Adults need respect and clarity. Understanding these limits protects everyone involved. Certain situations require breaching confidentiality. These include risks of harm to children or others. Legal duties and court orders also apply. Multi-agency safeguarding requires information sharing. Knowing when to breach is crucial for child protection. 7 Golden Rules guide information sharing. Data protection is not a barrier to safeguarding. Be open and honest about sharing. Seek advice when uncertain. Always document sharing decisions. These rules ensure responsible information handling. Responding correctly to a disclosure is vital. Listen without interrogating, never promise secrecy, record the disclosure accurately, report to the designated safeguarding lead promptly. Confidentiality must be maintained throughout. A Year 7 pupil discloses a serious issue. The correct response involves honesty and prompt action. Listen carefully and record accurately. Report to the DSL immediately. Protecting the child is the priority. Accurate records support safeguarding efforts. Record facts, not opinions. Use the child's exact words in disclosures. Store records securely and share on a need-to-know basis. Proper record keeping protects children and staff. Data breaches require immediate action. Contain the breach and report internally. Assess the risk and report to the Information Commissioner's Office if needed. Inform affected individuals if there is a high risk of harm. Learn from the breach to prevent future incidents. Avoid promising absolute confidentiality. Do not discuss sensitive information in public areas. Never forward school emails to personal accounts. Keep desks clear of sensitive paperwork. Challenge inappropriate requests for information. These mistakes can lead to breaches. Understanding legislation and confidentiality is crucial in education. Schools must balance legal obligations with safeguarding. Honest communication builds trust and protects children. Reporting breaches promptly is essential. With this knowledge, you can ensure a safe and compliant environment. Thank you for taking the time to watch. If you have any questions, please contact us at 07484361688 or email the UK Versity team for assistance.